Merienda tayo, guys. Ah! Miming talaga, wala talaga. Pagod ako, guys, nagutom. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much.